Today we're spending the day at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're going to ride as many rides as we can while we brave the heat. Stick around and see what we get up to. First up, you've got to do the studio tour. Hasn't even started yet, but this is so cool.
Over the years, Marvel's uses for Captain America, the first adventure, basically Spider-Man, like the Marvel Okay, I think it's okay. Oh no, up on the right, up on the right.
We just did the studio tour and it is definitely a must-do here at Universal Studios. If you're a big fan of TV and movies like me, it'll blow your mind. Today there are even a few quiet zones as they're filming a few TV shows. We had to be really quiet as we went through and we got a sneak peek of some filming action.
We are actively filming today. Really, really cool.
We're on our way down to the lower lot and you can see a great view of Super Nintendo World, which is set to open next year. We're so sad it's not open at the moment, but we'll get there one day.
최고!
Listen to me. Do not panic.
Stacey's about to meet a baby raptor.
This is Sierra. Sierra, hey. Come on. We're going here.
That's awesome. This was one of our absolute favourite rides when we were in Orlando last time, so we're super excited to ride it here in Hollywood. 5-minute wait today. Pretty much everything has been a walk-on, so we've definitely picked the perfect day. It is, school is back. It is also a scorcher though, so I imagine most people have chosen to stay indoors today as it's going to be 37 degrees. Hey guys, future Stace here. We really apologise for the big black semicircle smudge that is across a lot of the footage in this video. We promise it is annoying us more than it will annoy you. Note to self, if you notice your lens looks a bit dirty, probably wipe it. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. Let's go ride the Mummy.
That is hands down one of our favourite rides here at Universal Studios.
Perfect thing is, it's a walk-on, so we can go on it as many times as we want.
So we've left the lower lot now, which is where Jurassic Park was and the Mummy was. And now we're heading into the wonderful world of Harry Potter. Time for some butterbeer, so we're going to head into Hogsmeade and I think we're going to be getting more than one.
best part of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, frozen butterbeer.
The butterbeer alone is worth a trip to Universal. Hogwarts and Hogsmeade must be the only place in the entire world where the snow just doesn't melt, even in 37-degree weather.
Now, you may know that every Ollivander's wand, thank you, has a core consisting of a powerful magical substance. Let's try a spell, shall we? Let's see if we can brighten this place a bit. Just hold it up in the air and say, Lumos. Nicely done. Oh, you're very powerful, my dear. Meteorologix Recanto. Most impressive. That is definitely not your wand. Give your wand a swish and a flick and say, Wingardium Leviosa. Nicely done. The wand chooses to listen.
Guys, not to the camera.
You said oh.
I'm such a good actress.
Welcome to Springfield, where you can enjoy a nice tough beer, ride the Simpsons ride, or get a somewhat questionable consultation from Dr. Nick. Hey guys, here in the Simpsons land, there are also lots of different games you can play.
It just got way harder. Feel the ball. You can do it. Leaving you.
I don't know what to tell you. Those are good shots. Those are good shots. I don't know.
She makes this one. She gets it right.
Guys, someone call Chief Wiggum because Hufflepuff has escaped him.
Hot here today, 38 degrees, that I'm actually going to go into Super Silly Funland and get myself drenched because I need it. Oh my god, that's so good. Hollywood. We've had such a good day despite how hot it is. The heat just meant that the wait times were really short and we walked onto so many rides. We've had a great day. Tomorrow we fly to our next destination, so make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel and look out for that next video to see where we head to next.